Hey there! Tired of constantly flipping between regular browsing and incognito mode just because your favorite Chrome extensions don't cooperate? Well, in this video, I've got a nifty trick to share that'll let you use your extensions in Google Chrome's incognito mode without any fuss. Let's dive in. To kick things off, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Then, up in the upper right corner of the screen, give a click to the three-dot icon. Next up, hover your cursor over Extensions and give it a click to select Manage Extensions. Now, you'll see the list of all your extensions right there. Simply pinpoint the extensions you want to enable in incognito mode and give a click on the Details button below it. From this point, flick the switch labeled Allow in Incognito. And just like that, your extensions will now play nice even when you're cruising the web incognito. So folks, that's the lowdown on enabling extensions in Google Chrome's incognito mode. If this video helped you out, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.